When the country had to come together, and they did not destroy all of Hitler's scientists, because many of them are here in the United States of America, as well as in South America, where they're using their science. If you was to look at all the helmets that the police use on their head now, you will see the Nazi helmets on their head, as well as when you see a lot of these movies, you will see the Nazi helmets on their head. Why are they using Nazi helmets? What is the 1,000-year right? We don't make the movies, but they keep Hitler alive. We got to question everything that's anything and anything that's everything. Don't believe us, like I said, belief means you don't know. Go look and research the factology for yourself. Deal with natural health. Deal with your temple, mosque, your church of your body first. Deal with so-called religions. Deal with the planet itself as a living entity. Because you can love hip-hop, house, techno, rock, jazz, you can love the basketball, your baseball, all that. If you don't respect Mother Earth, like I said in the college a day ago, Mother Earth don't care what race or nationality, what you come from. You say, I take 50,000 in Venezuela with an earthquake. I take a couple 20,000 with Katrina in New Orleans. I spent take a couple of hundreds of thousands in Haiti. I spent about, like in the day after movie, one tornado like they did in LA and split up to 5 to 10 tornadoes, which we've been having all over the United States of America. And you don't think there's time for preparedness type of classes? You better be stocking up on some seeds in your house, as well as water. You better stop learning all the other different things, how when you walk the street, that's a dandelion. I can pick that and eat it. That flower right there is edible, so I can take this. I should take this to make a tea in case if something goes wrong. These are the serious things we need to be talking about in our community. I also push the making of dome homes. A dome building is stronger than all these buildings put together and cheaper to make as a community, especially in the ghettos of America, if we were to get out there and try to organize and get grants and everything and start building dome homes in our community and teach each other how to build them. Which could start off with $15,000 a mega dome or dome home when it's cold, it's hot, when it's hot, it's cold, and it's almost something like the universe, so when the winds come, it withstands certain hurricanes and certain earthquakes. We got to get serious in what we do, because we can't party and BS day in and day out. We got to look at each other. Try to understand and overstand each other. There's been a lot of hate among all of us, thinking we better than each other. That's the mind of a Luciferian. I'm better than you, and you better than me. I'm the original, and you infidel, and this and that. But the planet won't care about none of that. All those people that keep disrespecting the planet, go after all those Secret Service and all them. You need to go watch the Closer project that's been online. They don't want to show it too much on CNN, but they tell you that the things have been coming and shutting down some of these nuclear things that's been going on the planet. The things walking among us that you don't even know what's living on the planet. Like I said, some dust in your house for a week and then go get a magnifying glass and look under there. Sometimes you just lay in your bed, just put your ear to the pillow or put a little further to the mattress and hear little things moving in your bed, sleeping with you, or even on your arms and hands when you think you're resting and nothing's on you, you just start to itch or something. I had time in the class, I said, many people never see it before them, but you could be sitting on your bed or in your house just sitting like this, or you could be reading a book in the night, but you never see it in front of you, but you see something black that's running past you on the thing, you start getting goosebumps, you know something came there, and then you just say, man, this is mine. But sometimes I just jumped to your dimension for that moment and jumped out. But you said, is my mind playing tricks on me? You start thinking about back at me. But you know something just came through and left that quick. But you can always see it on the side of your eyes and never see it right exactly in front of you. You all got power and energy within your own body. I used to show through the trigger, you had the 2 fingers, and you could get a person bigger than my size, and you put the finger under the arm, and under the legs, and when you try to lift them up, you can't lift them up with just the 2 fingers. Then when you do the energies on top of their head, and you can lift the person up, and they can go all the way there, and you just on your 2 fingers. To show you that you all got it in your power. We all got the thing, like sometimes we think of somebody, I ain't seen Aunt Mary in 5 years, or brother something, and next thing you get a phone call. But next thing you walk around the corner and you say, whoa, what is this? So we are playing games with the power that we really all got, and we ain't really even tapped into yet how much power that we got dealing with our mind. There are people on the planet that can move things. I used to laugh at everybody talking about, I don't believe no ghosts, like Ghostbusters and all that crazy stuff. Like, you crazy. What are you talking about? All this crazy stuff, and jinns visited you. 2 jinns came and visited my black ass. I used to laugh at the ghosts and everything. And when the thing was holding me down, I said, and I can't even speak. I just did it to try to push whatever the hell that was holding me down out of there. We get psyched out with these movies and don't know that there's certain negative energies that they put in certain movies, certain music. Just like I tell people when you hear Run DMC's Walk This Way, if you play it backwards, it says, "Here Satan, he's the Lord." Go into it yourself. When Prince made the record 7 Kings, remember he had it going backwards on the word, but then when he spit it over, he was really saying, "Here, God." There's people playing games in the music industry to control your mind, and using some of our entertainers to control your mind. You must be code breakers. In the zoo, we try to teach people to be code breakers. Don't go to the movies just for entertainment. Understand that you must be a code breaker to see the message that they send to you. If you go back and watch Under Siege, this is before the World Trade Center got bombed. They said in the movie, all we got to do is bomb the World Trade Center, blame it on the Muslims, and nobody would know nothing. And they tried it, they didn't succeed the first time, but the second time they succeeded, which changed the whole planet. Why would the World Trade Center be the one that changed the whole planet when so many other people have been getting bombs in many other countries on the planet and it didn't change nothing? So you gotta understand what went on with politics that made them to go and bomb the World Trade Center to change the whole ideology of how we must live in this day and time. Why you must have a TSA stopping and frisking you, playing with your body just to get on an airplane. Did an airplane really crash into the building? They said the World Trade Center, a plane couldn't knock it down. Many other people said when they were trying to get out, there was an explosion. Why did the police department and the fire department fight each other in the street? Because one was trying to get the gold out, and the other one was really trying to save people. Why do they go into Bohemian Grove down there in San Francisco, or your heavy politics leaders, and go get it on and get freaky-deaky in the name of a God that they pray to as an owl? What is all those words sitting on your dollar bill that you love to spend the fiat, but don't know what the hell does our dollar bill represent and what it means? On the dollar bill, there are 2 seals. One seal is of the United States of America, and one seal of the other one is the pyramid, and I is dealing with the ancient indigenous past of many of the groups that was here before. Some say it's the eye of Haru, the eye of Ra. And if you look at it, some say it's George Washington eye, some say it's a reptilian eye. Everything around you deals with mathematics and symbols. There have to be signs that you walk in the streets when you see the Shell sign in your gas station. We might think it's just a regular shell, but it's really a rising sun. It has something to do with the so-called Illuminati or the illuminated ones. The CBS sign that we watch on television, the two-headed, you love MTV sign, dealing with certain Luciferian type signs that we don't even recognize. Certain signs we go into our religious faith, with the Porcelain crown and other things like that. But we don't take time to do the study. And that's why we get tricked over and over and over again. We don't take time to study the law. We can't be holy ourselves and not know the law that we're dealing with every day with people who are controlling our lives. Don't know when you go in and sign that license or that you get a birth certificate and all the other types of things that you are giving up yourself up to the privacy, you're giving yourself up to put bombs on your body. That's why when we get arrested, they're already putting bombs on you. They already selling you on the market before you even get to the prison system. And once you get in, there's another bomb being put on you because they're selling you. And this way when we go to the court, we always say, yeah, the judge, you understand? And we go, yeah, we understand. You just gave yourself up to the jurisdiction. That's why I put so much to those who study the law of the land or wherever you at, so you don't get tricked and trapped up. And this is why we started Zoo. Not to be at each other, odds with each other. To try to understand and understand each other. To try to fight all this hate that's on our planet. I took time out to study as much of everything I could study. From all the different so-called black, brown, yellow, red, and white groups. I studied the Ku Klux Klan. I studied other groups, whether I like them or not. I studied the Satanism and things like that. If I go among them, I can speak among them. If I go around people that like Marilyn Manson group and think they're vampires and all that stuff, you wonder why you go to cut and drill your teeth to make it look like fangs. Why would you do that? Why do you have a tattoo and put so many tattoos on your body if they tell you that if you keep putting too much, you get hepatitis C? That's why I said we need a checkup from the neck up. And we must look at the factology of everything and get away from beliefs. So beliefs means you don't know. I can say that and be, oh, that other. You can do that too. Somebody can use holy water, I can go make holy water too. I don't know if man or a woman to speak to the community of all over the world. If I want to speak, I want to speak. If I want to be crazy, I want to be crazy. I'd be crazy. I don't even understand, I want to go out that bank and, the devil made me do it. Ain't no devil made you do it. You the devil, you made your own self do it. I'm not going to sit here and say, all the world and stuff with me, Satan right in among us. And most times when they teach you talking about Satan, they talk about Satan. Because we don't look at the zodiac. We don't want to understand that. We think it's the soothsayer. All of them was soothsayers. Don't think Reagan and all of them deal with soothsayers and stuff to know certain things. When should they move? When should they not move? They do rituals on people in the streets, especially in the black and Latino community. The Native Indigenous community. They do certain rituals, certain times. We must assassinate this one at this time. Or we must move on left eye and she should die. Or a leader should go at this certain time. Or it's time for Tupac to go at this moment and stuff. This is not no joke. If something happened to me, I want you to look at the government and the rest of the community because we talking too much. Anybody that tries to wake up any type of people, they are on a list. Anytime they teach you to tell you that the money ain't real, you should have gold and silver, you are on the list. And don't think they ain't checking you. Everybody wants to know these cell phones and they don't know what's what. You're talking all this, you're on Facebook, you're just, I agree. You don't know what you signed into, MySpace and stuff, and you never read the agreement or the contract, but you want to put your naked pictures or you want to put something up there that you know you ain't supposed to put up there, and think now that they sold your stuff to a form thing or something else, and then you talk about, I'm going to fight, I'm going to sue. What are you going to sue? You didn't read the agreement before you signed on. You just agreed. You better fight for privacy. Because privacy is out the window. You better read, every single Zulu needs to go and read the whole Constitution of this country over and over again and stand on it. But they want the Constitution out the door. They don't want to tell you that the Constitution is really suspended, but you must stand on it. You think these patriot groups, these sovereign groups, these indigenous groups are just fighting for nothing? The Inquiry Constitution, where they truly got the Constitution from, and the ancient Moors, things that's been taught to them, dealing with the Iron Rule and all that, they're trying to fight to destroy it because they don't want people to know this history that went on in ancient days before the United States of America Corporation. It's a corporation, and the president is the head of the corporation. And you a corporation when you have those capital letters on all your ID cards, on your birth certificate, on your driver's license. Go look up driver's license versus right to travel. Your God-given right by the Lord of the world that told you to travel anywhere on this planet because he gave you, or she gave you, or he gave you that right. Look up person and citizen. Everybody should get the Black World Dictionary from 1 to 7. Get them old dictionaries from back in the days and look up certain words. And get every etymology book you can get, because certain words that you're saying doesn't mean the same thing if you don't really know where it comes from. So I say this at the end, that each one try to show some love and put it back into the planet. Let's bring some trust. You all need to get a trust in your own name. I advise you when you sign your name anywhere, especially dealing with contracts. Always put right, all rights reserved. Always reserve your rights. Because you don't know what these beasts are trying to do once you sign your name. Once you sign your name, you are giving up your privacy and it's like you're selling yourself on a market. So know this. Don't take what I said, look it up, research it, stop being on YouTube, looking up dumb crap, and look up all the serious stuff that people's been trying to teach you, and we need to get rid of that IRS. That's the biggest problem in this whole damn country. They need to go. What the hell we need them for when they ain't there when you did your compensation or did your work? But here they got their hands in their pockets coming, I need this, I want to take something from you. They only came around since 1933. You need a marriage certificate. You need a death certificate. You didn't have that back in religious days. You get to preacher, imam, rabbi, and you want to get married, then you get to marry you, and then you put it in the Bible or the Quran or the book comes forward there, and you go on with your business. But now you need paperwork from them to tell you that you must get married. You need paperwork from them to tell you that you must get a divorce. You need paperwork from them to tell you that you got a privilege to drive when you have a right to travel. Study the law. And with that, I say stand on right knowledge, right wisdom, right understanding, for we can overstand and sound right